Hi everybody, good afternoon. So I'm Joan Blanques Goshen, and for today's mini vlog, what we have here is the balut. As you can see, ito ay isang itlog. Alright, this is itlog ng duck or pato or itik. Kapag itlog ng pato or itik, yung gagamitin for the balut, it's yung texture niya, yung color niya is dirty white, tsaka yung texture niya parang mas makapal yung shell na yun. And may process yung paggawa ng balot. And as you all know guys, balot is the exotic food ng mga Filipinos. Alright, makikita natin to sa lalo na sa gabi. Diba, sa kalye may nagtitinda ng balut, tapos meron silang ilaw and basket. As you can see, ito yung sabaw ng balut. Meron siyang sabaw. And itong balot na to is medyo yung sisiw niya is malaki na din. At saka meron tinatawag tayo na penoy, 'di ba? Penoy, mas gusto ko yung penoy. I'm not that much into balot, but masarap ang balot, for your information guys. So paano to kinakain is binabalatan ng ganyan, tapos hinihigop yung sabaw, nilalagyan ng asin. Tapos suka, dapat meron siyang suka. This is suka with chili. Okay, chili. And ilagay natin yung salt. Yan. So ganyan yan kinakain. Pero tinatanggal ko yung yung titiyo. So ito na yung titiyo. Yan yung titiyo. Okay? So, for your information guys, itlog lang yung kinakain ko, diba? So, ayan yung itlog na kakainin natin. Tapos, lagyan pa rin ng suka. By the way, nag-prepare ako dito ng sausawan na suka with chili, tsaka asin. Meron din dito toyo with chili, yung garlic sauce. Chili sauce. Chili oil na may toyo. Yun yung pinipare ko. So, nahigop ko yung sabaw ng chili. Ito nga, isaw-saw ko pa rin siya. Ito yung pinipare ko na sauce ko. Ito yung chili with toyo. Tapos yung sa may gilid is asin. So, ang kinakain lang dito is yung yellow. Yung iba, kumakain ng sisiw. Tapos yung iba, kinakain din nila to. Pero ito guys, this is already hard. Okay? But some of the people, they are eating this. Pag kinagat siya, para siyang yung simula nakakagatin mo yung bubble gum. So that's how its texture is. So ang nagpapasarap talaga ng balot, the balot become tasty just because of the sauce. I mean the sauce, the vinegar and the salt or the chili oil and with toyo. So yan. Masarap, diba? So as usual, yung balot ngayon, it's nasa less than 20 pesos. Per piece. Yan. And nasustansya ang balot for the body. It's really good for the body. It keeps the body strong and healthy. If you eat the balot. Alright? It has a lot of irons and minerals. Follow, like, and share.